Question is, when you're a rock and roll guy, and you see a line over there for COVID, and you're thinking, man, oh man, what are these people doing? And I'm thinking, at age 73, I'm getting stronger, more fit, love life, still work 60 hours a week, no stomach, same weight as I was when I was 18 years old. And I'm thinking, is there something wrong with me? Or something wrong with them? I have no fear. God's garden, God's body, God's food. That's the only thing I could say. I have no fear. Almost impossible for me to get sick. Almost impossible. That's because I don't eat an American diet. I eat mostly fruit, watermelon, avocados, dates, blackberries, figs. Almost impossible for me to have aches and pains at age 73. Almost impossible for me to have a cough, cold on a continuous basis at age 73. Almost impossible. Which means I work almost 7 months in a row, every single day, 60 hours a week. Not one day, maybe a 2-day break. But I was working those 2 days. What does that mean? Am I doing something right? Or is everyone doing something wrong? God's food, God's garden, God's body. That's the secret. Fruit in the morning. I generally eat avocado and potatoes for lunch. Dinner back to watermelon. 5:30 I stop eating. Endless energy, always. So when you have COVID or Corona or aches and pains, you have to ask yourself, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? When you're overweight, what am I doing wrong? When you have aches or pains, what am I doing wrong? When you're sick, what am I doing wrong? The body never lies, and everything it does for your highest good. 75 trillion cells, each has 20,000 life units. We have 380 trillion viruses in our system right now, each and every one of us, of which Corona is one, plus 60 billion bacteria. Never a mistake. Beyond. And every cough to your blessing. Every ache and pain to your blessing. Once you understand that, you understand how life works. Anyway, I think I'm doing it right. Bye.